Teddy's tucked in nice and neat, blanket wrapped from head to feet. Whispers float like fairy wings as the sleepy owl softly sings. Stars peek in to say goodnight. Fireflies glow with tiny light. Time to dream and close each eye. Teddy sleeps and so will I. Moonbeams dance on sleepy heads, nestled tight in cozy beds. Little hands all tucked away, drifting softly till the day. Gentle night, hold us near, whisper love the world to cheer. Time to dream, let worries fly. Close your eyes and sweetly sigh.